In front of me are the Spin Master Monster Jam Nitro Neon trucks. These are new for 2023. They are Walmart exclusive and they come in 2-packs. And this is what we like to call the Walmart thematic series of the year. They do this every year. They started in 2019 with Fire and Ice. Then they did Zombies vs. Hunters. Then was it Earth vs.? No, there was one more after the in between. Gears and Galaxies, and then they did Earth vs. Surf. This year, though, we have the Nitro Neon trucks. And they're 2-packs only. Typically, they do 2-packs and single packs, but this is only 2-packs. And I thought there was going to be only 2 mixes of this, but there's a 3rd mix on the way. We've seen pictures of it already. I don't have it. I think there's even a video on it, but we're going to take a look at these today. This is mix 2. Found them at my Walmart. They've been out for a few weeks, but my stores have not been getting them. And, yeah, and also we now know some of these are going to be real trucks. In fact, Megalodon, we've already seen as a real truck, and we're going to get into that a bit, but when we get to Megalodon. But let's just start with this. Blue Thunder versus Dragon. So this thematic series is focused on, also, mine's got a split blister. It's cracked, but it's cracked along the seam. So this series is based on like bright colors and, you know, neons. But there's like 2 kind of base attributes. So first off, we're going to start with Blue Thunder here. So the chassis and rims are going to be the same for this kind of style. You see it's got kind of a magenta, purple chassis, white base, green tires with white PKT printing, and magenta rims. But the color itself is going to be the same. Earthshaker was like a black and orange. Bakugan was green. This one's a teal, but it's a metal flake teal. So you can actually see there are sparkles in the paint. It has a pink logo. You have the Nitro Neon logo there and some white lightning. Purple grill, which is nice to see. And yeah, teal headlight or tail lights. Feel the energy there on the back. It's got, I think, a little bit of a chip, or can that rub off? Is that a chip? I don't know what that is right there. I don't know what that is. I'm pretty good. Blue Thunder's okay. Honestly, Blue Thunder and thematic series has always been kind of eh. Like, Blue Thunder Zombie was really bad in 2020. That truck was not good looking. So mediocre, but this one's alright. I don't know. I think Blue Thunder is just kind of a, I guess I don't want to say a boring truck, but there's not much to it. You know, there's not a lot going on. That's an okay version, though. Let's get Series 1 out of here. Let's put Series 2 right here. Dragon's awesome. Okay, Dragon's really good. So this set of attributes we've seen on these 2 trucks, Gravedigger and Zombie. But this has a black chassis with teal headers, magenta base, regular black tires with kind of magenta BKT print, teal rims, or it's like is that like a seafoam? Looks like seafoam green, and then purple beadlocks. This tire, I just realized, is pretty deformed on Dragon. Kind of stinks. This one is nice though. Other than the tire being slightly deformed, this is a nice metal flake purple, so you can actually see it glitter. It's got a it's got the yellow logo, which looks normal, but it's got a pink outline, kind of green and blue mouth, a teal eye there. Orange horns, yellow spikes. This is really good. This is really nice. I really dig this one. I really like this kind of set of attributes. I think the trucks just look a lot more clean and nice, and I really dig them. I think this is pretty good. So that's Dragon. I dig Dragon. Dragon's really cool. Alien Invasion of Megalodon is the 2nd pack. As I try and get this open. Alright. Actually, this time we're gonna start with Alien Invasion. So I want to talk about Meg for a little bit. Okay. So it's got the same attributes as Dragon and Blue Thunder and Gravedigger, but it has a metal flake black body, with the yellow, kind of like a greenish yellow rectangle for the logo, the pink and blue LED lighting, which I really dig. The yellow headlights. Looks like mine's got a little bit of Tampo slide. I really like the Metal Flake Black. MonsterJam.com there on the back. Really obnoxious window piece here. It's like a highlighter. Yeah, that's the best way to describe it. It's like a highlighter yellow. Very flashy. I mean, the whole point of Nitro Neons is to be very flashy, but that's kind of an eyesore, and it does have a green outline around the top there. Wish they would have changed that color, because it doesn't really fit with the rest of the truck, the green circle. Would have been cool if it was like purple or pink to match the truck, but yeah, this thing, the windshield really makes it pop. Do I like it? I don't know. I think of the trucks with these attributes, it's my least favorite. But I want to talk about Megalodon. So Megalodon, if you don't know, this truck was made in real life. It debuted at Monster Jam World Finals this year. It was driven by Todd LeDuc. He got third in freestyle with he went like big, can't even see it, but he went like big backflip, and then somehow it landed and he didn't even break. But they are making the Nitro Neon trucks into real trucks. I think they're going to do it at the Superstar Challenge. So obviously this one ran at World Finals, but there's going to be more running at the Superstar Challenge coming up in Anaheim on November 11th. What trucks are going to be there? I have absolutely no clue. They said late September we're going to drop all the info. Nothing has come of it. But yeah, this one actually is a Metal Flake. So you can actually see it is a Metal Flake teal. Regular Megalodon logo, kind of a pink eye, yellow teeth, teal fin. It actually is very much like normal Megalodon, just with some slight color changes. And like a lighter blue. Not even lighter blue. I don't know. Megalodon is kind of like a grayish blue. This one's like a teal. I don't know. I think it's kind of boring. This is the one they made into real life at World Finals. But yeah, I wonder what other trucks are going to make real for Superstar. Because obviously in 2019 we had the All-Star Challenge with Fire and Ice. And then they were going to do it again in 2020 in Glendale. Probably with Zombies versus Hunters. But that got scrapped because of the pandemic kind of stopping everything. And then they kind of did thematics again in 2021, but they only did one truck, and that was Monster Mutt Dalmatian Galaxy, which debuted, I think it was Arlington 2021, and ran until like Houston, the fall show in 2021. And they didn't do anything for Earth versus Surf, but they're doing something for Nitro Neon. So nice to see thematics back. And yeah, I just wanted to take a look at them, unbox them, and I don't know, what do you guys think? This is let me zoom out a bit. Let's get all the Nitro Neons in here. What is your favorite? My personal favorite, I still really like Gravedigger. I hope they make that a real truck. They probably will. And yeah, so that's mix 2. Some info about Superstar Challenge. I think this set, honestly, has kind of grown on me. When I first saw it, I'm like, I don't know, it's kind of mediocre, but I think it really has grown on me. And the next mix I know has Sparkle Smash, Max D, El Toro Loco, which is going to be a truck at Superstar Challenge, which was announced at the what was it? What do they call it? Like press conference? I don't even know. I have no clue, but yeah, some pretty cool stuff here, and just wanted to take a look at them, check them out, and that's about it. See ya.